Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text to your TikTok videos. You want to post your video and you want to put a text, maybe saying the name of the video or telling your audience what the video is all about with just a text. You will not want to say anything to it. Let's get started. Now we're going to open our TikTok. Once you open your TikTok, click on this plus menu button. Now I'm going to do my 15 seconds video now. Click on this recording. You wait for it to record finish. Okay, now so it has recorded finish. What you need to do is now click on this is your test. Click on test. Then you can write something. My story. Once you're done, you can place it your story, you can place it somewhere here. Click on the story. You can do set to you can set the duration, you can set anything to the story. Once you're done, click on next. Once you're done with everything, you can just click on this, which is post. But I'm not going to post this now, so I'm not going to click on post. But you can just click on the post and it's going to post it directly with your, I think I've posted. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.